Hey, what is up, guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today we are going to be discussing some grooming products, especially for the beard. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices. Whether it is that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, an automobile. If you're watching me on an airplane or maybe a boat, maybe going on a vacation, a much needed vacation, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. Whether I'm talking about fragrance, whether I'm talking about grooming products, whether I'm talking about electronics, food, it all is the same thing. It all helps the channel grow. And you guys helping me grow allows those that are helping me, allows those companies to grow as well. And talking about small companies, we're going to be discussing Detroit Grooming Company out of there in Detroit, Michigan. Now, they might not have a good football team, they might not have a good baseball team, and they definitely might not have a good basketball team. I mean, they used to back in the day, 04 and in the 80s. But hey, let's see, maybe they got some grooming products done right. Detroit Grooming Company, okay? Now, about 2 weeks ago, before I went on this illustrious vacation on a cruise, I reached out to these guys. I said, hey, can you guys send me just a couple of samples? Hey, want to try something new for the beard. Want to make this beard look healthy. Want to have this beard grow. Now, I got a pretty healthy beard for the most part. I do like to use different products from time to time. A lot of times I'll just go to TJ Maxx, Marshall's, places like that. A lot of times they got a lot of good beard grooming products. But, you know, the thing is, it's always best to help out a local business. And again, whether you're traveling, maybe you live in one of these, the cities where these businesses are located, however, wherever they're at, you always want to help out. Guys want to support the small local companies. I mean, the big boys, they already got the support. You guys need to support the small companies, okay? So I reached out to them and said, hey, can you guys send me a couple samples? And literally like 2 days later, I got it, okay? Now, I want to be frank about this because I did check their website before I'm doing this video, and there are a few people that had issues with shipping, okay? So if there is shipping labels created, okay, and USPS still isn't hold of it, sometimes you just got to give those USPS some time. There's been plenty of times where I sent something out and a month later someone has got it, even though I know I sent it out like 2 days after they ordered it. So be very patient. And again, if you guys don't get it maybe within another week or so, then definitely reach out to them. Hopefully they will fix it. So, but this is just for my sake. They were able to ship this stuff out literally 2 days. And the problem is I had the long beard at the time. And sometimes the beard just does not grow the way you want it. Sometimes you gotta start over from scratch, and it is okay to start over from scratch as long as the final product is what you're looking for, okay? So again, I used to have a long beard, then we trimmed it, then we went real short, and then we're back to this point, okay? This is a nice looking beard right here, okay? So I'm gonna go over what they actually sent to me, okay? So I asked literally for some samples, okay? Now I opened this box up already, but I wanted you guys to see exactly what was in this box as well and how they actually put this together. Now, they did include one extra thing, but I actually gave that away because I had too much of it, okay? It was some soap, okay? They gave me some soap. So they do have other grooming products as well. Soaps, shaving products, solid colognes. You guys like those solid colognes, and I'll show you what I like about solid colognes, okay? So here we go. Detroit Grooming Company, okay? Now, if you got a nice beard, maybe you just want to try something different. Again, they got different grooming products. You like to shave that head? They got razors. You like to smell good in the bathtub? They got soap, okay? So here we go. Open that up, and man, these guys were nice enough to send me pretty much, this is their sample pack, okay? Their sample pack, from what I've seen, is gonna run you about 60 bucks. Now, you're gonna wanna spend 70 to get some free shipping. So go out there and buy one extra thing, get that $70 worth, get that free shipping, okay? Make it all worth it. So they were sending me, we got, start with the shampoo because you need to wash that beard first, okay? Now again, do not go out there and start using the wifey shampoo. Don't go out there using that Pert Plus, that VO5. use a real beard shampoo. And that's what they gave me here. This beard wash right here. This one is called the 313. This has that toasted vanilla and amber with some activated charcoal. So I will do a quick little wash. You can speed this up however you like. Then they also gave me, again, the conditioner. You guys need that conditioner. The conditioner gets that beard nice and soft. This gets all the darts and stuff out. This gets the beard nice and soft. Okay, so then, now I don't know which way to go, but I'm gonna go the oils. Okay, so next I go with the oil. Again, it's called Cork Town. Okay, this is pretty much their amber and vanilla scented oil. Okay, and then they gave me the Corktown Beard Butter, which is that balm. The balm is kind of like your styler, if you will, like your hair gel, okay? The oil, this is actually for the skin underneath your beard so it doesn't get itchy and scratching and stuff like that. And then this is to pretty much style that beard, okay? Or keep that beard at bay, if you will. Then they were nice enough to send me a nice, solid 1 ounce cologne. Again, these things are pretty cool because, again, say you're going on that vacation, you need like 3 of these. Instead of carrying 3 big bottles, maybe them things breaking a little bit, you throw that in that tote bag or that toilet bag and then you're good to go. Look, 1 ounce. This is also the amber and vanilla, I believe. Let's see. It is amber and vanilla. So I'm gonna be smelling like a damn cookie in here pretty soon. And then they also threw in another beard brush. And I needed another one of these because my other beard brush was getting a little old. You guys know, to keep that beard nice, comb that down. Sometimes you got to comb that to kind of, to tame it, if you will. Tame it to teach it to grow in a certain direction. Sometimes you got that beard that grows hair this way and this way. Sometimes with a little bit of that beard butter, you can kind of control an angle where you want those hairs to grow. But I'm going to show you the whole thing. I want to smell it. I probably won't wash my face. Unless you guys want to watch it, hell, I'm going to do it. So here we go. Now, I'm going to use this soap first, this beard shampoo, okay? Now, again, you guys know, a lot of these beard products, it's pretty much personal preference. Because a lot of these beard products, you're going to have to buy a lot to see which one works the best, okay? And if you already have, like, say, a beard balm, then you got to go out there and buy another one. And the thing is, with the one thing about with these beard products is that I would highly suggest that if you were to get these beard products, try to get it all in the same scent. Kind of like how they just sent all these in the same scent to me, because you don't want to wash your beard with like a citrus and then put a conditioner of some leather scent and then take this oil that smells like tobacco and then this one that smells like bergamot. You're not going to want to do all that, have all these different smells, okay? So try to get the same things, same scents pretty much, okay? You're going to get the scent of the shampoo, get that same scent and conditioner, and then so forth, okay? So let's go with a little wash of the face. Now, the last time those people got mad at me because I have a tendency to just have that water running. I don't know why, it's just a habit. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this has one of those blockers. No, it doesn't. This is that conditioner. We'll go to the shampoo first. Here we go. So there we go. And again, you guys, this is a nice size shampoo. You're looking at about an 8 ounce. So again, you guys don't need much for the beard, okay? Just like literally a dime size amount. Boom, look at that, charcoal activated. That dark shampoo, if you will. Give yourself a nice little lather, put that into that beard. Worked it. Ooh, man, it does smell good. It smells nice and ambery and kind of woody, almost like toasted vanilla. Because it almost kind of smells a little bit like coconut, if you will. But I think it's with that toasted vanilla and that almond, or not that almond, the amber that's kind of giving it this coconutty smell. So rinse that off. I'm gonna put some conditioner in next. Okay. Then I'm gonna kind of show you what I like to do to comb that beard. Okay. Okay. So just for this video's purposes, I'm gonna leave that water running because I'm gonna just keep turning it on and off. Okay. So here we go. That conditioner. Now this conditioner is actually white. It's not like that, the black stuff. Okay, this one is white. Okay, don't need much. Again, just a little bit. So again, this would be good, especially if you're gonna get this sample pack. This would be good for like almost like a good 2 months worth. You should get a good whole 2 months worth of use with this stuff. Okay, you don't need to do this every day, maybe every other day. Okay. So you got 7 days in a week, so maybe do this like maybe 3 or 4 times a week. You don't have to do it every single day. Should be able to last. All these beard things all together should last about a good month, 2 months. Now for video purposes, I'm kind of washing right away, but sometimes let that conditioner sit in that beard for a little bit, okay? Don't just rinse it right away like I just did, but... And this rag smells great. Now, the one thing I'll tell people too is, honest, a shampoo and a conditioner is not, as far as the scent, is not super important to me. It's more of that beard oil and beard butter, because the beard oil is going to stay on all day, okay? The shampoo and conditioner, you're really going to be pretty much just rinsing that off right away. So, you know, just, you know, you're not going out there looking for a performance, high performance, unscented shampoo or conditioner, okay? You're just looking for something that's cleaning it and conditioning it, okay? Keeping that beard nice and soft. All right. Get to that point and dry it up a little bit. You want to keep that beard a little bit damp, especially when you're going to put some of these oils in next. Now, I'm going to just use it straight out here, but you are going to want to use a dapper because you don't want to put too much oil in there, okay? So I'm going to try to be careful with this. Literally, you do not need much, okay? Like 5 little drops, okay? That should be good enough. Now this is what's going to give you that nice shiny beard, okay? You ever see those people? Ooh. Now that smells nice. It's a nice smoky vanilla. That smells really good, you guys. Now again, with that oil, you're gonna work that into that beard to get in there, okay? Rub it. Rub it. Have your girl rub it if you need to, okay? Have her rub it. Get her some nice action afterwards, but have her rub it if you don't feel like rubbing it all day, okay? So, there we go. Now that again is not really for the beard. Now it's a good look for the beard. It gives that shine, but it's more for the skin underneath that beard. It's to keep that beard from being itchy and scratchy and rough. Okay, it's gonna give it a nice smoothness, okay? Last but not least, I'm gonna use a little bit of that butter. Again, that nice kind of woody, spicy, ambery vanilla, which is very nice. Again, just that beard butter, okay? Cork time for corked bats. It's the only way they're gonna win something if they cork those bats up. Ooh, man, this stuff. I'm literally not lying, you guys. That stuff smells excellent. Ooh, that is a very nice smell, and I don't want to kid you guys not, okay? But from what I'm feeling in my beard feels nice and soft. Very impressed so far. Again, a lot of beard products are out there, just so many. So at the end of the day, it comes to personal preference, and I'm telling you guys, this stuff smells awesome. If you want that kind of woody, spicy vanilla scent on your beard, still smells good. You guys, smells good. Now, one last thing I like to do, even with just a touch of dampness, okay? Now, if you do have this, use it. If you don't. I'm gonna put the description down low for this exact beard brush, but if you got one of these beard straighteners as well, these things do work wonders. Now watch, like how kind of crooked this looks. Just go for one pass, and even at the highest, no, this is not too high. It's not burning my skin. Now it will burn if you just keep it there, but look at that. feels good too when it's like this nice and warm feel on your face. So that's another thing I like to do. Now, if you don't have that beard straightener, this thing was only like 30 bucks on Amazon. This thing works very nice. Has 3 different temperatures too. So if you don't want it that hot, you can go down. All you gotta do is press it. Press it again for another temp. Press it again for the hottest. And then you're gonna hold it to turn it off. That's all you're gonna do, okay? Make sure you turn those things off and unplug them, okay? Now, if you didn't have one of those, one thing I like to do to keep the beard nice and kind of straight, if you will, is I like to take 2 brushes almost. Now this is when the beard was a little bit longer, okay? But this is kind of more of a rough sided part of the brush. This is more soft, okay? This is more of the soft bristle. So what I like to do is take a brush with the harder side and meet it up with that soft and just bring it down like that, okay? It's almost like a woman and their hair straightener. And those things clamp together and then they pull it down, okay? So this is pretty much what that does. Now imagine if you got a nice longer beard than me and you need that to be straight and soft. Boom, look at that. Nice and shiny, nice and soft. Smells excellent. Last but not least, I want to show you guys what I like to use these solid colognes for, okay? Now, me personally, I really don't use these that much. But when I do use these, the way I like to use it, especially if you get a scent, something like this, that amber, that vanilla, okay? You're going to get a little bit of that sweet woodiness, okay? What you're going to want to do is rub a little bit, okay? Go on the back of the neck, rub it into the back of the neck. Take that, rub it in the back of the ear, okay? One more, rub in the back of the ear. And then you can kind of go on one wrist, okay? Now, yes, this stuff smells great. Sweet, ambery, woody, vanilla. Almost kind of smells a little bit like toasted coconut. Again, that's that vanilla and that amber working together. So what I like to do is take that, okay? You got that there, you got it on your ears. Then what I like to do is take a cologne that's very similar, the very similar smell, woody, smoky, ambery, vanilla. And then you spray this right on top of that. Boom. 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 With that little simple trick right there, that little tip, solid colognes, this can boost your spray colognes by a lot. Trust me, you guys, do that a few times, okay? Get yourself a nice scented, solid cologne. Get a certain scent. Get a citrusy scent. Rub that in all those pulse points. Rub a nice citrusy fragrance on yourself. Spray some of that nice citrusy fragrance right above that. And that fragrance is going to explode off your skin. It's going to last. Again, oil plus more oil equals longer performance, louder projection, all that. So, there you guys go. That is Detroit's Grooming Company out of Detroit, Michigan. Again, such nice guys. Literally just asked them for a little sample, and they were nice enough to send me their sample pack. I was expecting maybe a little packet of this, maybe a little packet of that. Like some of those other beard companies that I asked for, they sent me little dinky packets of this, dinky. Not Detroit. They hooked your boy up. And I'm very appreciative of that. So go check them out. Detroit Grooming Products, man. Shampoo, conditioner, you got the oil, you got the balm, you got the brush, you get some. Now this I don't think comes with it. I think they toss this in for free, but go out there, grab this, then you're over that $70. You get some free shipping to the US and Canada. So go check them out. With that being said, I'm glad to be back doing these videos for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.